Good Midwest morning, everyone. This is Nicole, your mobile bloggist for toctown.com. And I shared with you in a few videos prior to this one that I'm going to be using my BlackBerry Curve for recording my On the Express, which is typically my retreat channel. And I thought about a lot of the digital devices that we have on hand. And not only did I choose to dedicate this device specifically for when I go on retreat and do long form videos, but I just wanted to share with you some of the applications that I use that I think we really don't think about that we already have, because we're always flashed before us the latest devices, the newest devices, which of course can be wonderful when you're trying to, up your game and do a better quality video. But a lot of times you have exactly what you need right in front of you. So, of course, the first thing that I use is the camera and also the video camera. I added a 2 GB, I was going to say hard drive, but that's not it. A 2 GB memory card, and I never run out because I'm always, offloading it to my, bigger storage space, which I'll share with you in another video. But pretty much, because I picked this up, oh my goodness, it has to be at least now, let's just say 10 years ago. And you're thinking, I gotta buy a new phone, no way can I use this device to record my planner videos or even what I do while I'm on retreat, journaling my small business journey. But I beg to differ. This is definitely what you can use. I don't keep contacts in here anymore, but I do write notes. Like, let's say I have an idea for a video and I need to remember the thoughts, in addition to, using my planner, I do use the digital device. Let's say it's right here and available, and I jot it down. So pretty much, not only that, I use it for the clock. Sometimes I do need to set an alarm if I have an appointment, and I tend to get engrossed when I'm studying for, a certain client who's utilizing my alumni access. So sometimes I do have to set an alarm. I don't have it linked up to the internet because it doesn't have a call plan. Number one, it is, antiquated. So I just pretty much use it to record my videos, as well as use it to take pictures, as well as set the thumbnail, for anytime I need a cover shot for my video. So those are a few things that I ask you that you consider, that you use your handheld devices that you have on hand. And definitely leave a tip, tool, or technique if you have this specific device. I still use the keyboard, and also, from time to time, let me just show you the back. I had to replace the battery on my AT&T phone, which I'm filming on now. And like you see here, I don't have to keep removing and replacing the memory card because, I just use this as a dedicated device specifically for, filming while I am on retreat. Okay. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Nicole, your mobile bloggist for toctown.com. Until we meet online or face to face, take care.